Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your passcode on your iPhone. So the first step is to head over to the settings app and then scroll down and go to this Face ID and passcode option. Enter your current passcode. Once you've entered the passcode, scroll down and here you can see this option, change passcode. Click on this option and again it will ask you to put your current passcode and then it will ask you to enter your new passcode. Here it also shows me the passcode options. Click on it and a bunch of options here like 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom or custom alphanumeric code. So select whichever you wanna create and then put on your new passcode. Again, and there you go. Your passcode has been successfully changed. So that's it. That's how you change your password on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.